Good morning, good afternoon, whenever you're viewing this. This is the introduction activity, and I'm so excited to be able to share a little bit about myself in hopes that I'll get some great submissions and be able to meet you as well. For the purposes of this exercise, I'm looking for everyone to share with me their name, your goal, what you hope to gain from the class, and then any kind of hospitality experience or knowledge that you might have, either as an employee, as a customer, or as a critic. So I'll go ahead and start with myself. My name is Lisa Crone, and I'm an adjunct professor here at Skyline College. In addition to that, I've worked for Marriott International for about 28 and a half years. The first 24 and a half with Marriott International, the last 4 with the Ritz-Carlton brand, which is the parent company is Marriott International. And I've just transitioned back to the Marriott brand as the Director of Human Resources at the San Francisco Marriott Marquis. What I hope to gain from this class, well, I'm very excited to say that this is actually the largest class that I've had. I was very skeptical about being able to do hospitality online, since hospitality really is a person-to-person kind of interaction. However, I have to say that I think the flexibility of the scheduling and that it's an asynchronous class has really gained in some popularity. So I'm really excited to be able to gain a little bit more knowledge from you on how to manage through a larger class size and how to juggle it. Hospitality experience and knowledge. So as an employee, as I said, 28 and a half years in the industry. I started out as an hourly employee. I've worked in a lot of different departments. I haven't been in HR, the human resources, the whole time. So certainly I have experience in the rooms division, within housekeeping and the front desk, as well as food and beverage, and now in human resources, as I said. As a customer, I routinely go out to eat. So I do have a lot of experiences there as a customer, and as you might imagine, with my time in food and beverage, I do probably have a critical eye, and I always like to have my back to the wall so that I'm watching the kitchen and looking at all the activities and all the processes behind what it takes to provide a quality food and beverage experience. So that's a little bit about me. I look forward to sharing more throughout the class in little video snippets like this, and also being able to hopefully see and hear you through some video submissions. Hopefully you'll choose that, although there are a number of different methods that you can utilize to be able to submit your introduction to me. So I look forward to meeting you. Thank you so much, and I look forward to a great semester.